Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, we are learning English for everyday life. This is not textbook English. This is not boring grammar. This is English you can use the moment you step outside. Simple, clear, and polite English that helps you talk to people, buy things, travel, and live with confidence. By the end of this lesson, you will not just know words. You will know how to use them in real life. Let me take you on a little journey. Imagine it is morning. The alarm rings. You open your eyes. You stretch and say to yourself, "Good morning." That is the first English sentence of your day. It is short, but powerful. You go to the kitchen. You see your brother, sister, or maybe your roommate. You smile and say, "Good morning. How are you?" They answer, "I'm fine, thank you." And you? This simple conversation makes your day start with warmth. English is not just words, it is connection. Now you make breakfast. You want coffee or tea. You can say, "Can I have some tea, please?" Notice the words. Can I have is polite. You are not ordering. You are asking kindly. English becomes beautiful when you add please and thank you. These small words show respect. They open hearts. They make people like talking to you. Later, you leave home. On the street, you see your neighbor. What do you say? You can say, "Hello," or you can say, "Hi, how are you?" If you want to sound friendly, you can add, "It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" These short phrases turn strangers into friends. They make your English natural. Now imagine you go shopping. You enter a store. You want to buy bread. You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the bread?" The shopkeeper points and says, "It's over there." You take it. At the counter, you give the money and say, "Thank you very much." The shopkeeper smiles and says, "You're welcome." See? A full conversation in English. Short sentences, everyday life. Very useful. Let's practice. I will ask you a question and you answer out loud. Don't be shy. Ready? What do you say when you meet someone in the morning? That's right. You say, "Good morning." Now, what do you say if you cannot find something in the store? You can say, "Excuse me, where is the..." Excellent. And what do you say if you don't understand what someone says? You say, "I don't understand." Perfect. You are already practicing real conversations. Let's go further. Imagine you are at a restaurant. You sit down. The waiter comes. You look at the menu. You want chicken and water. What do you say? You smile and say, "Can I have the chicken, please? And a glass of water." The waiter says, "Of course." Later, after eating, you want the bill. You ask, "Can I have the bill, please?" Simple, clear, polite. Everyday English that works anywhere in the world. Now imagine you are traveling. You arrive at a train station. You are not sure where the platform is. You can ask a stranger, "Excuse me, can you help me?" The person answers, "Yes, of course. Platform 2 is over there." You thank them. You say, "Thank you very much." They say, "No problem." Just like that, you survived in English while traveling. And the more you practice, the easier it becomes. But I know some of you may feel nervous. Maybe you think, "What if I make a mistake?" My friend, listen carefully. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake you make pushes you one step forward. Nobody learns perfectly from the beginning. Think about when you were a child learning your first language. Did you speak perfectly? You tried, you made mistakes, and you learned. English is the same. Do not fear mistakes. Embrace them. Smile, try again, and keep going. Let me give you some extra practice. Imagine this. You are in a taxi. The driver asks, "Where to?" You answer, "To the airport, please." Easy. Or imagine this. You are in a hotel. You need a towel. You call the front desk and say, "Can I have a towel, please?" Very simple, but very useful. These sentences are short, but they help you live your life in English. Now let's do a quick challenge. I will give you a situation. You give me the English sentence. Ready? Situation 1. You bump into someone by accident on the street. What do you say? The answer is, "Excuse me." Good. Situation 2. You want to know the time. What do you say? The answer is, "What time is it, please?" Excellent. Situation 3. Someone gives you something. What do you say? The answer is, "Thank you very much." Wonderful. You are learning fast. Before we finish, let me motivate you. English is not about learning 1,000 words in one night. It is about using 10 words every day. If you use 10 words today and 10 words tomorrow, in 1 year, you will know thousands, step by step. Small steps bring big results. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Are you better today? If yes, you are winning. So today we learned how to greet, how to ask politely, how to shop, how to eat at a restaurant, how to travel, and how to handle small situations in English. Your homework is simple. Tomorrow, greet someone in English. Say, "Good morning." When you buy something, ask in English. Say, "Can I have, please?" When you need help, try saying, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Do this every day. Soon, English will feel natural, just like breathing. Thank you, my friends, for joining me today. I am proud of you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and never give up. Because every word you speak in English is a step toward confidence, freedom, and success. If you enjoyed this lesson, share it with a friend. Subscribe for more easy English. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.